Hey, what's up YouTube, Techmaster 8. Now, I made a video about the unboxing of the Insignia 720p HD camcorder, but this is a review of it. I want to start off by saying that this camera is sleek. I mean, look at this. See, right here. Reminds me of the iPhone. Looks very similar. It's fatter than the iPhone, but in length, it's not really that long. It's about the same size as the no, it's a little bit shorter than the Kodak ZI6, which I'm filming with right now. This looks to be stainless steel. Has the Insignia logo. Alright, so let's get started. Now, a cool feature about it is, check this out. You can it's a swivel it's a swivel LCD, which means you can pretty much do a lot of, you know, camera positions, which is really cool. Another cool feature is that, let me see, it has sort of like the menu. It's very detailed, unlike the Kodak ZI6, which is horrible. I hate the Kodak ZI6 menu. Yeah, the Kodak ZI6 doesn't even have a menu, put it that way. Okay, so you can see we have movies. We have voice, which is sound recorder. We have music, which is an MP3 player, and picture. The menu is, let me see if I can get a close up. It's pretty detailed. It has sort of a galaxy feel to it. Kind of just a focus. The hell? Alright, well, you get the point. Right here we have the USB out, and you use this for the HDMI also, which it brings. This is to connect headphones to it. This is to see what you already recorded or took. These are just, I don't even know what they do, to tell you the truth. And there's a focus. These two right here, in and out. This is to take pictures, and this is to take videos. Over here we have basically nothing except the battery, which comes, oh, I caught myself opening the camera up. Yo. Alright, so yeah, the battery goes in here, and the memory card also. Right here we have the landscape mode, portrait mode, and macro mode. Right here we have the lenses. It also has a flash, which the Kodak ZI6 doesn't have. Another reason I bought this camera. So if you ask me, this camera is way better than the Kodak ZI6. The only thing that it lacks is HD on 60 frames per second, which the Kodak ZI6 excels at. It's known for the 60 frames per second 720p HD. So yeah, I bought it for $9.99 in Best Buy, and for $9.99 it's a pretty darn good camera, because I paid $180 for the Kodak ZI6, and I regret it. This is a definite buy. I'm gonna be making, well, mostly iPhone videos, which is what I do best, and I'm gonna try to get into PS3 and 360, make videos of cheats and stuff like that, and how to get the browser, and in the browser in the 360. So yeah, you should definitely subscribe to my videos and check out some of my iPhone videos. And there you go, the Insignia 720p HD camcorder from Best Buy. Thank you. Subscribe, YouTube.